Hi everyone and welcome to another maths revision with Jov. Today's problem says that A and B are independent events. The probability of event A occurring is 0.6 and the probability of A and B both occurring is 0.48. And it wants us to first complete the tree diagram and then to calculate the probability that neither A or B occur. The question wants us to complete the tree diagram, but I'll draw it on here so you can actually see what's going on. So we've got the probability of A happening. So I'll just write A for that. And then you've got the probability of A not happening. And then after each of these events have happened, another event either happens or doesn't happen. So we've got B and we've got not B. So B and not B there. And over here we've got the same. We've got B and not B. This little dash means not. Okay, so the probability of A is 0.6, and the only options we have here are probability A happens and A doesn't happen. So the probability that A doesn't happen must be 1 minus the probability of A. So we get the probability of not A is 1 minus 0.6, which is 0.4. So that's 0.4. The probability of A and B happening is 0.48, so we've got probability of A and B, but we are given that A and B are independent, which means that the probability of A and B is just the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. So 0.48 is equal to 0.6 times the probability of B, which means that the probability of B is 0.8, because we divide both sides by 0.6. Now we can write that in, so B is 0.8, and we now know that not B must be 0.2, so we can fill that in like so. The question now wants us to find the probability that A and B both don't occur, so neither A or B occur at all. And all we've got to do with that is, well, we can say that if A and B are independent, then we know that if they don't happen, that is also independent. So we've got the probability of not A and not B being equal to the probability of not A times the probability of not B, which is just 0.4 times 0.2, and that looks like it is 0.08. And that is our final answer, and I hope that helps.